Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think, say, if you was John the Baptist, that you would have did recognize, say, Jesus are the one where God pick and send fi come save him people them? You think you would have did recognize him? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody who you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 7 from verse 18 to verse 35. John follower them, tell him about all the sitting them where Jesus did a do. So him called two of them and send them to go ask Jesus, are you if you look for, or are somebody else a go come? The man them go to Jesus and say, John the Baptist send we fi ask if are you if you look for, or if are somebody else a go come. Same time, Jesus make whole heap of people who did sick in all kind of way get better. Him run demon out of people and make enough blind people see again. Then Jesus tell John follower them say, go tell John when you see and hear. Blind people can see and cripple can walk. People who have sickness, we make their skin fussy, get better, and deaf people are here. Dead people come back alive, and the good news are preached to poor people. God bless the people them when not tap trust in me. Just cause me no go on how them think the one where them are wait pan fi go on. After John messenger then gone, Jesus start talk to the crowd about John. What kind of somebody who they go out in the desert to see? Somebody we can't make up in mind like tall grass where the breeze a blow this way and that the way. If I know that, then I want to go out there to see. One man dress up in a deer clothes. No man. People will dress up in a deer clothes and live big life. Live in a palace. So I want to go out there to see. One prophet. Yes, I may tell you no. Him a more than just one prophet. A janitor talk about when it write down say, look, me will send me messenger for go on till you come. Him a go get people ready for you. Let me tell you this. John bigger than anybody we ever born. But even the lowest somebody in a God kingdom, bigger than him. Everybody we hear Jesus say, even the tax collector them, take it say, God we are right. Because they didn't make John baptize them. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them turn them back on what God did want them to do. Because they never make John baptize them. The people will live in a them time, yeah. And where they come in like? What kind of people them be? Then come in like picnic where I sit down in a market and I holler to them one another. We play the flute funo and uno no dance. We sing one funeral song and uno no ball. Cause John the Baptist never come and yam no bread and I drink no wine. But who don't say the man in him? The man where God pick come and yam and I drink. And who don't say, look here, the man ya craven and him a one drunkard. Him friend them a tax collector and sinner. The people will follow the right way, prove say God wise and him way right. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.